If you want to learn how to make $250,000 per year by creating an info product and then automating its sales and marketing, then this video is for you. Now, everyone's got passions and goals that they would like to achieve in their lives, whether that is to make more money, to get fit, or to learn how to play a guitar. Now, no matter what it might be, what is standing in your way to achieve your results is always information. But if you don't understand the concept of finding the right product and putting that product in front of the right audience to make money, you don't have the necessary information to make a lot of money. If you don't know what's healthy to eat or what triggers your bad eating behaviors and how to fix them, you don't have the necessary information to become fit. If you don't know how to practice on your guitar, then you don't have the necessary information to practice well to become good at guitar playing. So when you understand that the only thing that's really standing between people and their dreams are information, there's no wonder that the information product industry is today worth billions of dollars. So how do you capitalize on this? I mean, how do you make good money from this while also helping people to achieve their goals and their dreams? I've actually made over $450,000 selling online courses. I've automated that process into a passive income. And here are the 5 steps that I took. Step number 1, find a marketplace. Now, if you're starting completely from scratch, just like I did, you would like to start selling your courses on a marketplace. And the best fit for this is called Udemy. Now, Udemy has over 40 million paying students that are ready to pay you money for the information that you can provide them through it. And as an added bonus, they will do all the marketing and selling for you at no cost whatsoever. They will only take a small cut of your profit once they sell your courses. Now, in my opinion, this is the best way to a passive income online by far. You'll start off there by signing up and create your own instructor's account. Step 2 is to find a profitable topic. Now, any businesses works by the same rule, supply and demand, and with information products is the same rule that applies. Now, there's no point with supplying a course if there's no demand for that course. So the first thing that you need to do is to have a look at what courses are really selling on Udemy. Now, this is easily done by going through the categories and looking for patterns. So we can, for example, see that niches such as programming, web development, and also personal development is niches that are performing well. Now, there are many more categories to pick from here, but you only need to choose one that is profitable. Step number 3, create an outline. Now, before you can know how to outline a course, you first need to become a student. Now, this means that you don't really need to know the topic that you are about to teach. You only need willingness to put in the time and effort to learn that topic. So my suggestion is that you are looking at the course topic that you are about to teach, you take a course on it to learn that information and extract all the golden nuggets within that course, and then you just fill out with additional information from articles and from blog posts and from YouTube videos, etc. So by now you should have a good understanding of what you're about to teach from the student's point of view. Now, this will give you a massive advantage over your competitors, as you can create something that is way better than their courses. Step number 4 is record videos. Now it's time to get into action. Put up your camera and just look for some decent light here, because that is all you really need. You can just record with your phone if you have a recent phone at hand, but what you really need to invest in, if you have the money, is a microphone. Now, I am using the Rode NT microphone, and this one is the bomb. All you need to do is to record one video at a time and just go through the outline video by video until you are done. Step number 5 is to put your course together. Fantastic. Now that you have all your videos recorded, now it's time to put them together into one course on Udemy. Go into your instructor dashboard, click on create a new course, add in all the video material, give it a nice title, subtitle, and description. And then you're good to go. And you have just released your first info product. Congratulations. Now, if you are looking for a more in-depth tutorial on this, we have created a 45-minute free training. Just click in the description box down below, click on the first link that you see to enter that training, where we will be teaching you our 10-step system, just how we are making $250,000 every single year selling products online, digital products. If you want to learn that, click in the description box down below on the first link, enter your email address, and you're inside the free training. But if you'd rather stay here and watch the next video, just click here to see the next video of either me or Robin on how to create income online. It can be also the mindset behind it, all that good stuff. You can hang out with us here on the channel, or you can go down in the description box down below, click that link to join the free training. I assure you it's totally worth it. I mean, do you want to make money online? Click that link or the video here. See you in the next one.